The 2024 Kia Niro EV is the smallest all-electric SUV in the South Korean automaker's inventory. However, the smaller Soul and Seltos are also available in gas engines. After a complete redesign last year, the Niro EV returns substantially untouched, which is good given that it is our best electric SUV in its category. There's clearly a lot to appreciate about the Niro EV, so check out our test team's expert rating below for the full story. The Niro EV feels fast enough around town. The electric motor delivers satisfying power when you need it, and the accelerator pedal is never sticky or excessively sensitive. Edmunds found that the Niro EV sped from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.1 seconds, which is the class average. The brakes function well, with a nice, firm pedal and configurable one-pedal drive, which means you can utilize regenerative braking to slow the car and rarely need the brake pedal. The Niro EV isn't particularly sporty, though. The suspension is optimized for comfort rather than sharp handling. It's composed and stable on the road, but the lack of grip means you won't be whipping around corners with much gusto. The Niro EV is quiet and comfortable, with little wind or road noise even at highway speeds. The ride is compliant yet not too soft or floaty. It makes for a relaxing cabin. The front seats are adequately designed and provide adequate support, but the cushioning is a little hard. We wouldn't call it uncomfortable, but we hope the seats break in with continued use. The rear seat is also slightly firm and flat. Heated seats are standard in the front and available in the back. Optional features include a heated steering wheel and ventilated front seats. The Niro's interior is neatly designed and simple to use. All major controls are easily accessible. You rarely need to look for a button. The graphics for the touchscreen menu system appear archaic, but it is very simple to use in the end. We enjoy the customizable panel below the screen. With one press, the panel switches from climate settings to media and navigation controls. The temperature knob transforms into a volume knob. It's quite slick. The Niro EV has a raised but relatively low ride height. That is ideal for getting in and out, as well as seating position and visibility. The Niro is slightly taller than the normal sedan or hatchback, so the seats aren't difficult to get into and out of. It's simple to establish a comfortable driving posture, albeit the steering wheel could use a little more reach for taller drivers. Taller passengers have enough room in both rows, while some competitors have additional rear seat space. The view out the front is fine, but the rear window is a little narrow. The backup camera's resolution is also not particularly high.